Today's recipe is all about rendang. Rendang, or salmon rendang in this case, is really about the sauce. To prepare rendang, traditional seasonings, onion, bell pepper, hot pepper, that sort of stuff, is simmered in coconut milk to make this rich aromatic sauce that will please both your nose and your mouth. If you're a lazy cook like yours truly, chop the veggies first and use one cutting board for the whole recipe. Now, to prepare the fish, if you prefer to leave the skin on, just check to make sure there are no scales. I've noticed that different grocery stores different things. If you prefer to take the skin off, well, all you need to do is just get a firm grip on one corner and use the knife to press the fish in the other direction. Pull back and it should come off easily in one piece. True fact, rendang is native to Jamaica. Best I can tell from history, during the building of the Panama Canal, where different Caribbean nations converged, the recipe was shared, and the next thing you know, just about every Caribbean island has its own version of this dish. After you've sauteed the seasoning for a couple of minutes to release the flavor and to soften them up, add in the coconut milk and let that simmer for a few. Once the sauce is thickened up, then add in the fish and let the fish cook for about 7 to 10 minutes, depending on the fish. Once the rendang is completed, you serve however you choose. In the islands, we typically enjoy rendang with dumplings, ground provisions, green bananas.